Hi and welcome to Avtaars world. I hope you're having a good day. When I cook, especially when you want to have that balanced meal throughout the week, I'm often trying to incorporate lots of vegetables as well into my cooking. So I'm going to use the aubergine. Now the aubergine itself is quite bland, and whatever ingredients you add, that kind of takes over the flavor. Now I'm going to make bharta. It is a favorite dish with all the Punjabis. I'm taking one aubergine there. For the ingredients, I've taken 1 onion, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of haldi, turmeric, and a teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 green chili, 2 tomatoes, and some fresh ginger. Now the first step to make it into bharta, put it into a small tray and put it under the grill so that it starts the cooking process. It will all get cooked evenly from inside as well. It's quite chunky. When this is getting roasted, it's going to start releasing a lot of moisture, and all that is good stuff. You don't want to lose all that. So the aubergine has grilled nicely, and I can tell it's all cooked because it's all looking squashy. It still is full of moisture. To get that charred taste, place a mash there and stick this there on the fire. Yeah. This will go into the taste. And I'm happy with that. Lift that back and goes into my tray. Use a knife, go like that at the top there. Hold on to the stalk. Peel it all. It's going to just come out straight away nicely. The skin comes off nicely when it is very hot. So I'm going to scoop all that flesh from that peel. Now with this, I love to have some texture of the vegetable. Mash it. And as you can see, all the moisture is there as well. Into the pan, some cooking oil. I've added cumin seeds, and they are actually releasing that essential oil. In goes my sliced onions. And I'm just going to soften them a bit. The onions have been frying gently on a low heat for about roughly 5 minutes now. And at this stage, I tend to turn the heat down. In goes turmeric and the red chili flakes, and then immediately goes in the tomatoes. I haven't totally cooked the onions, but this will give a total different dimension to the texture in the bharta. That goes in as well. Let this cook for a few minutes until the tomatoes are all done. The oil is actually separating out. Now in goes my mashed aubergine, grilled baingan. I just mix on the high heat for 2 minutes. Add my chilies and ginger, and you don't really need to cook the ginger. And my fresh Baingan Bharta or the pound bharta or my dish is ready. At this stage, in goes freshly chopped coriander, and so there's a teaspoon of ground fennel. When you are going to add this is actually what's going to bring in all the flavors together, and it will balance all that heat of the ginger and the chili, and it will give a completely distinct taste. Baingan Bharta is ready to be served. Punjabi Baingan Bharta or a pound bharta or mashed aubergine curried is ready, and you can either serve it with a naan bread or chapati, and a dollop of yogurt to go with it, and that in itself is a complete meal. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Until the next episode, take care, goodbye for now, and God bless you.